All right guys, let's drive the new Kia EV6. It comes also with electric adjustment in the seat, and it looks really nice inside, really futuristic. I like very much this center console right here, the way they array it gives you a nice feeling of future, I should say. Also a lot of space down here on the legs and big windows, so you have kind of a good visibility around the windows. Press the brake and then the start engine button, and now it's ready. It says ready. It comes with these big screens right here. It's very similar with Hyundai Ioniq 5, the cockpit, and also multimedia. It's really big. I like it, and also it's quite responsive. Anyway, I will make another video about that in the future. So for the moment, let's drive the car. Also, I like very much the mirrors, the shape of the mirrors, great visibility outside. It's awesome. Anyway, let's drive it. We have auto hold. Also the car comes with 360 degrees camera, and then put it in drive. We have a wheel here, very similar with Ford have the same thing. It's quite nice. Anyway, let's drive. Also the car comes with a head-up display. I don't know if you can see it so well in the camera. It comes also with three driving modes: eco, normal and sport mode. Right now we are in eco mode, and we will drive first time in eco mode. The seats are quite comfortable here. I have a lot of space, so it feels quite nice. Also you can adjust it in many positions. Also the steering wheel look really interesting and new, and also the quality, it's good. From here behind the steering wheel you have pedals where you can change the regenerative brake. For example, you have right now it's on auto mode. You can see down here you have level 0. I think you have free mode, level 1, level 2, level 3, and if you hold it a few seconds it's go to maximum regenerative brake, and we will leave it on level 1. It's very nice. It's the same as Ioniq 5. Good visibility in the mirror up here. Also very silent, like all electric cars. It's I'm not sure if it makes a noise from here. Yeah, great. So this is the rear wheel drive, and it comes with a big battery. I don't remember how big it was. 77.4 kilowatt battery. Here we go, right. Yeah, first impression, it's quite nice. Also over the bumps, it feels good. Brakes are nice. Also it comes with this 360 degrees camera, and also view monitoring, blind view monitoring, the same as Hyundai use it also on Tucson, Santa Fe. Also Kia use it on Sorento, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, very nice. The eco mode acceleration, it's very slow and nice. It's silent inside the cabin. It's very good insulation. Also if you want to regenerate more, I think from here, yes, level 2, let's go to level 3. 91%, 421 kilometer range. For the range it's quite good, really good. Also I can reset the consumption. We will see what will be the consumption in the end. There's a nice graphic, very good visibility right here on the screens. You can change very easy the driving mode from down here on the steering wheel. You can go in normal mode. Usually normal mode, this the acceleration is a little bit more aggressive. Not sure if the suspension will change as well, but also it comes with auto hold right here. If you press it, you can see the car will hold for you on the traffic signs. We go left or great. Right now you can see you don't have to hold the brake when you have the auto hold. Also here you have heated steering wheel, ventilated seat, heated seat, plenty of space down here. I will make another video, guys, review interior exterior when I get the time. And down here it's really interesting. You have kind of a screen that you can customize and change. For example, if you want to use it for the vents, or if you want to use it for volume and navigation, it's really interesting. Also the dashboard look nice. You have a nice trim design here. Head-up display look good. It's not bad. Also here, good. Big mirrors. You can see in level 3 the regenerative brake, it's really strong. I like it. I like the fact that you can change the different.
You can change.
Yeah, you can change this. I like that very much. It's great. You can do that in Tesla Model 3, for example. Something that I don't like about my car. You can also leave it free rolling. That's really nice. You can put it to 0 and then the car will just roll. Also, it's pretty powerful when you press the acceleration. Also the pedals are quite smooth. I like them. The quality is good. It's really good. Also the comfort on the seat, it's nice. At least at this low speed you cannot hear so much noise from outside, so the insulation is good. Now let's change the driving mode, sport mode. You can see also the graphic, the colors are changing there in the cockpit. And the car comes with all that new technology from Kia, adaptive cruise control, lane assist, emergency brake and all that stuff. We cannot test it here in the city, but yeah, keep in mind that it's doing a great job. Also the steering wheel in sport mode, it's a little bit more stiffer than in comfort mode, but still light. And it's pretty punchy. It feels nice. It feels good, like a proper electric car. Kia, in collaboration with Hyundai, knows how to do cars. They have a lot of experience. At least Hyundai. Lovely. I love this. I love this camera here on the cockpit. It's so easy to drive the car. Nice. I like it. It's nice. It's really nice. Also you have an armrest here, really interesting design. It's something unique that I didn't see it here. You can charge your phone wireless. Very simple. Great grip on the steering wheel. It has the perfect shape. Visibility also in the mirror up here. Also you have the navigation system. It's quite good. And now if you press it, this pedal here, you will have the maximum regenerative brake. So while the car is running, you have to press it and hold it, and then the car will regenerate maximum power back in the battery. We go right here. Yep. Yeah, nice. I like it. It's really good. They did a great job. Also electronic handbrake, it's here, by the way, the traction control. So open the charging port, and you can open the trunk electrically from here. It's really running really smooth. Right now, if you leave the foot and hold this pedal, you don't have to use the brakes. It's really powerful, and you can put it on auto mode as well, or you can leave it to 0. Right now it's in 0. That means the car will rolling when you take out the foot. You can see this is really useful. Sometimes if you want to save the energy, you just leave it roll, and you can hold the battery for longer. That's a great feature. Do you know the price of the car here?
Also, this one is 58,000 Swiss francs.
58,000 Swiss francs with bigger battery and rear wheel drive.
Yes, and with the all-wheel drive around 65,000.
Yeah, 65,000 with all-wheel drive, and that will come also in Switzerland
soon.
Yeah, great. Thank you very much for
we have the first parking.
Yes, right. Thank you for the time. And where was I?
No, this
first.
one.
Okay, I see.
First one.
Yeah. Then go in reverse. Yeah, it's really. It's good, huh?
Perfect.
Almost perfect, but still good. Thank you very much for the time and for everything.
Great. See the trunk.
Wait.
Trunk.
Ah, I didn't see the front.
Yeah.
But I will make another video. Check out the next video, because I will have a separate video, interior, exterior. I'm sure there everything. So thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Bye guys.